Hi, this is Denise Ibarra with EWA Spectrum Solutions Department. Today we will be going over how to enter a fixed system into Cevo, whether it's a repeater pair or a base station. This how-to video will begin at Schedule H Step 2, where EWA has combined the FCC's Form 601 Schedule D and H into one area for ease of data entry. The first thing we'll have to do is make sure that you describe the activities that the license will support, and then we'll start entering our locations. Please click here to enter your first fixed location. Since the system is a fixed repeater pair or base station, the location description will always be F for fixed. EWA has added a few tools that will help you determine if your site requires an ASR, such as TAL Air. With TAL Air, you will enter and submit key information about the antenna in order to determine whether or not registration with the FCC is necessary. If the antenna is already registered or you believe to be registered, you can do an antenna registration search either by the registration number or by the tower location, entering the latitude and longitude of the fixed site. If you have your ASR number, you will enter it in the FCC ASR number field. This will auto-populate into the next page with the technical parameters. If you've determined that the site has to be registered, but you haven't, EWA can help. Just let us know whether or not you'd like EWA to help you register the site with FAA and FCC. You would select yes, no, or not applicable. On this screen, if you don't have an ASR number, this is where you'll enter all of your technical information. Please be sure that you select the correct support structure type, whether it's a building with an antenna or if it's a tower. Please let us know what type of tower. We've given you every option that the Commission accepts. The next few fields are auto-populated. You just have to go through them and make sure that this does apply to you. Now that we've added our first fixed location, we're going to go ahead and add our mobile location. This is the mobiles operating either around the base station or the repeater pair. The location description will be M for mobile, and you will always be operating around a fixed location. So you will use the A code that will give you the around. You'll go ahead and select your location number, which is the area of operation in which the fixed site is in. And then this field will require you to let us know whether you are proposing to operate in an area that requires frequency coordination with Canada. Now we will move on to our antennas. You will select yes for Omni and enter the HAT and the antenna height. The HAT can be determined by using one of our Cevo tools, and then you will enter the antenna height in meters in this field. Now we will move over to our frequencies tab. Click here to add the frequency. We're going to go ahead and add the locations and antenna numbers. We have location 1 is our fixed site with our antenna 1. You let us know what type of frequency U-band, whether it's UHF or VHF. That will auto-populate the number of frequencies needed, the station class code, whether it's a base station or a repeater pair, FB2 for repeater pair, the number of units, the output power, and ERP. You can scroll to the right. I would leave the emission designator blank for now. We're going to go ahead and add our mobile location. Location 2, antenna 1. Again, UHF is what we're looking for. 2 frequencies needed for the talk around. Enter the number of mobile units, the output and ERP, and then I would select multi-row operation select. This will give us the ability to do a multi-row emission designator. You will begin by adding your emission designator. As you begin to type, the emission designator will begin to populate. And you can select one at a time, and you can add as many as you need in your system. And when you save and close, the emission designators will populate on every line of the system. The last thing we need to do is do a check safe harbor to make sure that we pass 90.205 and click next. That will complete the data entry for Schedule H Step 2 on entering a repeater pair and or a fixed station. Thank you for watching. We will keep you updated on all future videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact either your Spectrum advisor or customer service at the following email address or phone number. Have a great day.